In this video, we'll show you how to use the Spotify app in light mode. So as you may already know, the Spotify app itself doesn't have a light mode setting, but there is a workaround. So for this, first open the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on accessibility. In here, scroll all the way down and then select per app settings. In this menu, tap on add app. Now locate Spotify on the list and then select it. Now go to the Spotify app. Here you will need to find an option called Smart Invert and then set it to on. Once you have done this, return to the Spotify app and it will now appear in light mode. So as you can see, everything is now in light mode. Even the settings menu is in the light mode. So this is how you can use the app in light mode. Now anytime you want to undo this, simply go back to the same menu and then set it to default. So this will return Spotify to its original dark mode.